this is my first video on social cam. Ang tagal-tagal ko na mayroong social cam na application. Hindi ko alam paano gamitin to. It's on my iPhone for about a month na siguro, pero hindi ko siya ginagamit. Ewan ko. Tapos, ngayon, I'm so bored. Accidentally, nabuksan ko to app na to. Tapos, napansin ko nga, medyo marami-rami rin pala gumagamit ng app na to. So, sinubukan kong gumawa ng video. Hindi ko malaman sasabihin ko. Anyway, tinry ko lang. Yun lang, tinry ko lang. Basta yun. Siguro next time. Okay. Susunod ko na lang na video sasabihin. Okay, this is my first video. That's all. Thank you. Like it if you want. Ewan ko kung may like ba to. Pero, follow me. Try to follow me. And I will try to post some videos that are interesting. Sana nga. Interesting. Yun lang. Sige, bye-bye.